Hey there everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm super excited to dive into a topic that can help you earn some serious cash online: affiliate marketing. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your strategies, this video is for you. In simple terms, affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a win-win for both the merchant and you. Step 1. Choose your niche. Pick a topic you're passionate about and has a profitable market. Step 2. Join affiliate programs. Some popular ones include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Step 3. Create quality content. You can start a blog, a YouTube channel, or use social media platforms. Step 4. Use SEO and marketing strategies. Research keywords related to your niche and incorporate them into your content. Step 5. Track your performance. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your clicks, conversions, and earnings. With dedication, you can build a sustainable income stream. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and happy earning! See you in the next video.